mhlambe ngizokutshela into ongakazi uyizwe ezokwenza uthi ukujula kancane ngempilo nangomhlaba nje in general. Uyazi ukuthi ngo-2027 ngoFebruary, I'm not sure of the date, kuyali. Yabona-ke mase sikhuluma ngoMarch 2027, ingane ezozalwa lapho izobe ngayona i-human being just like me and you. Leyo kuzobe kuyi-rave. Ngoba thina, we are homo sapien intransitors. Asifani nama ancestors ethu. We are evolving. Leyo nto leyo idalwa yini? Let me take you through kancane. Angithi uyabona lamafoni eniwaphathayo. Lamafoni asebenza nge-operating system and iya-update le operating system. Yabona i-programmer eyakha lamafoni ifaka le operating system oyisebenzisayo. Mayifuna uku-update, ifuna ukwenza lokho efuna ukwenza, ikwenza ilaphi ikhona kodwa bese kwenzeka amafonini enu nonke because i-operating system i-centralized kuyena. Uthi nje chofo bese kushintsha kunina nonke. So ke kunjalo ke nala emhlabeni kunento eyenzakalayo. Uyazi ukuthi khona kuthiwa ama-neutrinos, uyazi ukuthi khona kuthiwa ama-consciousness programmers, uyazi khona kuthiwa ama-deities, uyazi ukuthi khona kuthiwa o-precision of the equinox. Zonke lezi zinto lezi zizohlangana ndawonye ukuze ngikukhiphile lento engizoyikhipha namhlanje ngalesikhathi ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Weli ke ngazi nanokuthi ngiqaliphi. Uyabona ngaso sonke isikhathi umhlaba after 400 years uyashifta lento ekuthiwa i-global cycles. Kuba khona a new global cycle okuwukuthi the consciousness programmers, they update our consciousness and then kuba ne-background frequency eranayo emhlabeni after 400 to 411 years. Uyabona ke lonto engikhuluma ngayo, it is based on what we call the precision of the equinox, ukuhamba kumhlaba kanje. So the way umhlaba oma ngakhona in the heavens, in the sky, kukunikeza into ekuthiwa i-precision of the equinox le ethatha 26,000 years or age is taking 2,167 years. Kushuthi nje age of Aquarius will take 2,167 years, age of Pisces will take 2,167 years. So ekugcineni kodwa ukuthi lama ages wonke u12 aphelele, it will take around 26,000 years. Okay, that's something else. It's about the precision of the equinox. Ukushifta nje komhlaba in heavens, yabo, facing the heavens. But la engikhona ke mina ngikho kwi-astrology and what's not, ngila ekuthenini this is human design, by the way. This was found by Ra Uruhu, the late Ra Uruhu. Yabona ke umhlaba ke sengikhuluma ngama global cycles, the background frequency eyenza ukuthi umhlaba ube lento iyona ngaso sonke isikhathi. Njengoba ubona namanje uyashintsha umhlaba. Ngo-2027 we are going to have a completely different, noma ngeke ngisho ukuthi completely different, but it will be the beginning of the new background frequency that will run for the next 411 years. Ngo 1615 kuya ku 2026. Pardon my math ukuthi angibalanga kahle, but I strongly believe it was here. Kwakuyi cross of i-background frequency eyikhona emhlabeni, kwakuyi i-cross of planning. The consciousness programmers that are programming our consciousness, i-background frequency eyikhona emhlabeni kwakuyile. So lento yenzakala umhlaba kwi Rave Mandala lento ihamba clockwise. So misuka 37 yakokunye so akunye, but that's why I don't think you need it. Okumele ukwazi wena ukuthi the cross that was there from this time to this time, it was this cross. Gate 9 accompanied by gate 16, gate 37 accompanied by gate 40. Then this nigga is the cross of planning. That is why background frequency I run lapho. U3740 ubizwa ngokuthi this is a channel. So it's a channel of what? Channel of community. This is where the community were built. This is when AMA bargains and the government and all of those things, these communities that you see, this is when they were built from this period. Izinto sizenza collectively. These community structures that you see, they were built around this time. And this was the background frequency that was running. That is why we built so many things. This was accompanied by this channel of community, accompanied by U916. U916 here, this is the gate of focus, this is the gate of skills. At that time as well, because of planning, we developed the skills, because this is the gate of skills. We developed the skills. Eswadinga industrialization yakamga la, because kwakamga indaba zokuthi kumele kube khona engineering, we have to build hospitals, we have to build schools, government and all of those things. This thing that you see right now, the industrialization age came at least 150 or so after the commencement of this cross. So that is why kwa developeka konke lokho kubonayo njengamanje. Ukuthi kube khona ama specialized skills that we build azosenza ukuthi sikwazi ukuba ne-industrialization kanje. Si develop ama communities. Sibe inhlanganisela, working together. All of these things that you see, they were built under this cross. That was the frequency that was running. Automatically, that is coming from the consciousness programmer through the neutrinos. The neutrinos are cosmic messengers that are coming to us, and then they go through, like you have 300 trillion neutrinos that are passing through your finger per second. It's a vast of them. They are taking information from one thing to another. So those neutrinos, they were coming from celestial bodies straight into our cellular, into our cells, and then they were programming our consciousness, and then we find ourselves doing these things emhlabeni. But now isikhathi salento ke siya ngasekupheleni. Khumbula phela futhi ukuthi njengoba ngikhuluma nge-precision of the equinox, la ngizobala nanokuthi sikwi age of bani manje, i-age of Pisces, eyaqala 2000 years ago, and it is coming to an end, slowly coming to an end. We are by the end of it. So in the next 126 years or so, because it takes 2167 years. So it cross njama njoba sisekwi cross of Pisces manje ungadideki. I cross of Pisces ike, all these churches that you see, they are coming from the cross of Pisces, and it all comes together ukuthi sibe ne cross of Pisces where we build all these institutions, yet in the background frequencies ekhona, it is the cross of planning where we are planning, we are building skills, we are building schools, we are coming up, there is a government, we are creating those rules azosenza sisikwazi ukuhlalisana kahle. We building communities, but konke lokho it will come to an end, it will collapse. Isikhathi sako sokuthi le nto iqala ukucollapse izoqala ngo-2027. Upart 2 ke uyezwa walento engikhuluma ngayo, sengizoza ngizalana ke lapho.